This is Paul Wett with WettTraderLLC.com, and I truly believe everyone should be able to take advantage of the market and be able to identify lower risk, higher probability trades with a software that is so easy to use, point and click, user friendly, and that's why I developed WettTraderLLC.com. So for today's week ending September 9th, 2016, I'm going to finish up my short series on chart patterns and how Wett Trader LLC software trades them. Make sense? Okay, let's get started, guys. Now, I've been telling you guys about this huge symmetrical triangle that was coming to fruition, and we actually missed our objective by just a few points before the market reversed. So here was the triangle. We were looking for a 91, 92-ish objective. I think we hit 89.25. We just fell short. And let me tell you why, folks. This week was expiration week, so people were rolling out of the September contracts, rolling into the December contracts. So we were just missed our objective very closely. The thing that's good about Wett Trader LLC is it still is right on my number target, okay? We had a high there of 89. I know on Friday when the prices roll over, we went into the December high. But we hit that 89.25. We missed the high here by 2 points, which isn't bad at all. Same thing here. We had the high of 21.90.50. Once again, the high for the September contract was 21.89.25. We have a time day here, and I warned about possibly coming a little short on this. Seeing as how we had a high, we had a confirmation. So that was that triangle, folks. But the thing I really want to show you is, wow, did you see Friday's trading action? And this is what I truly love about WettTraderLLC.com. It doesn't matter where the triangle is. This is the 5-minute bar. So the software trades every time frame. I shouldn't say every time frame. It's actually the 2-minute, the 3-minute, 5-minute, 10, 15, 20, 31 hour, 240 daily, weekly. These triangles, the one I showed you was a longer term triangles, and I was trying to show you how this software takes advantage of these triangles. But these triangles happen every day, all the time. Now, the thing with Wett Trader, it's a trend following system. So when the moving averages are set, I usually use on the 5-minute either a 13.21 or 8.21. It's still going to sell. And even when the market moving averages reverses and it bought, it's going to sell again. And look at this sell it did. And this was the 5-minute sell. That trade actually got out right about here at 55. And then what did we see again? Well, let me show you, folks. This is another triangle. It's a smaller triangle, but nevertheless, it's a triangle. And this is called a descending triangle. And what does a descending triangle do? It descends. The things, like I said before about these triangles, folks, is if I take my high here, 21.41, and I take the low here at 34, that's 7 points on the breakout. So my minimum objective here would be about 27, 25-ish. And we hit our objective and continue going. Now with Wett Trader on autopilot, autofill, auto execution, it stayed in the trade until I had flattened the button, which is right here is how we take the profit. We can also see this data and the trades in the data column, and it shows you exactly where it's sold It will show you all the sells. Here was that previous sell. Here was that buy at 75, or the sell at 75, bought it back at 74, so it made a point there. And then it got out of that buy, probably lost about a point and a half, and then it sold it at 72 and it went all the way down. And then it sold it again at 21.38. Now, just for the day on Friday, we had a profit of 1,000, which was a great trade there on the 5-minute. Let me just dig a little deeper so you see how this goes. It's the same on every time frame. This is the 15. Same thing. We have the triangle here. We have another triangle. This is slightly a different one that happened earlier in the day. This was actually on Thursday. Same scenario. Now, this triangle actually ended up, well, we flattened it at the close. But if you held your position overnight, it still would have reversed and went short here. And this is another triangle with a nice objective. We hit it on the 20-minute as well. So, folks, Wett Trader is a trend-following system. You don't have to know where these triangles are. You don't have to see them to take advantage of them. All you need to know is the definition of a trend, and the downtrend is lower high. From this high to this significant high is lower. From this high to this significant high is lower high. Lower high, and that's where this software sells. It's a price and time formula, sells retracements based on the last wave. Also, the 60-minute had gotten into the sell as well. I personally usually don't hold these overnight. Same thing here. Similar triangle. This was a nice sell here. This was actually, I believe, on Thursday at like 84. Yeah, this sell was right at the high here, 84. Nice sell as well. Nice sell. Another 7-pointer. Nice sell. So, folks, you really have two things to do. You can do the same thing you're doing, and if you're making money, great, continue to do it. But if you're looking for new avenues, new opportunities, a software that's automated with slight adjustments, these are the only adjustments you make. You either want a longer or a shorter moving average for trending. You can change it to 2140. You can do reversals or trend. Real simple setup. Easy to use. I recommend, if you got blown out on Friday and you're using a software that's not doing the performance that you're looking for, www.wetttrader LLC offers a 14-day free demo. That's right, folks, 14-day free demo. Runs with a simulated account with the real price action in the live market. The same software you use to trade the live market. www.wetttraderllc.com. Try the demo, folks. Try the demo. www.wetttraderllc.com. Try the demo. Any questions? 1-866-866-2474, toll-free number. We're here to help. www.wetttraderllc.com. Stay tuned. Next week, we'll start the new forecast for the upcoming week. We'll touch on a couple new topics for the week to help you traders take advantage and help you make some money. www.wetttraderllc.com.